So y'all remember how I said I was going to be boiling the eggs? So I don't eat the yolks of boiled eggs. They're way too dry for me. So I'm going to feed those egg yolks to my girls. Hold your complaints. I already had to hear it from Anne when she said that, oh my gosh, you're going to make your chickens be cannibals? Well, technically 3 of them won't be cannibals because, well, they're not their eggs. They're all Whoopies. But what I'm going to do is once I get this set up somewhere, I'm going to take the yolks. I crushed them up. I'm going to add a little bit of mealworms. A tiny bit of grit. And a crap ton of oyster shells. The reason why you give oyster shells to chickens is because of the calcium. Calcium helps them build their eggshells. Now, let's go see how the girls will enjoy this nice little morning treat. They'll be super excited because they know they get treats in the mornings. Hi, girls. How are my chickies doing this morning, huh? I gotta come in there to give you this treat. I'll be there in a sec. Ah! Frickin' things. But oh, come on, door. Come on, door. So, changed the inside of their coop a little bit. I took out that yellow rope, and I removed the little stand going to this nest. I think I'm gonna remove this nest. But come on, girls. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Here you go, girls. Ready, girls? Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, Whoopi. Chick, 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 chick. Go on, good girl. Try it out. Go ahead and eat your own egg yolks. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, chick, chick. Now, sorry if that annoys you, but I've been training my girls to recognize that sound and come to me every time I do it. And so every time I give them a treat, I gotta say it, do it sometimes while they're eating their treat, so they get that sound into their heads of, ooh, treat, let's go there. Oh, are you unhappy because they're eating your eggs? Oh, looky. I got another egg this morning. There you go. Try it out. Try it out. Come on, Whoopi. You fat bitch. I still love you, though. What is that? Yeah, they like it.